Hello and welcome to Relatable Code. In this video, we're going to talk about text views in Android. So let's get started. We are going to discuss the most commonly used attributes when dealing with text views. Okay, so let's drag and drop a text view into our screen right there. You can do it like that. And by default, this text view was constrained because I had this option enabled. Okay, let's switch to the design view for a little bit. And let's start with the most common attribute, which is the text itself. So click on your text view, go to your attributes panel right here, click on search and search for text. As you can see, you have a text, which is text view in this case. That's what you see right here. Let's change that to our custom text. After that, click on enter. And as you can see, the text of that text view has changed. If you switch to the split view, you can see that this text attribute was added right there. Okay, we're going to deal with both the design view and the split view for this video. Okay, that's how you change the text of your text view. Let's now try to change the text size. Okay, underneath text, you can just write text size like that, and you can enter something like 20 SP, not DP. In Android, we use SP for text sizes instead of DP, and SP stands for scalable pixels. Okay, they scale according to the user's font size preferences, which he or she can change from the device options themselves. Okay, now let's change the text style for our text view. Switch to your design tab right here. Go to your attributes, and inside attributes, search for text style. And here, as you can see, you have three options. You have normal, you have bold, and you have italic. You can select multiple styles, so you can have a style that's both bold, like that, and italic as well. Okay, if you switch back to your split view, as you can see here, you have text style equals to bold / italic. Okay, that's a vertical slash right there, which means that it's both bold and italic. If I remove this part, as you can see, it will only be bold for that case. And that was text style. And now let's change our text color. So underneath text style in your split view, you can write text color. And here you can select any color that you want. Let's select color black, which is exactly the color here, but I want to show you something. This color black is actually a color that's defined inside your project. Okay, if you expand that and you click on this button right here, as you can see, you have a colors.xml file inside your values folder. Okay, and inside that colors.xml file, you have two predefined colors in our case. Those are black and white. Okay, you can add any color that you want here. For example, you can add a new color, which is red. I think this is the hex code. Yes, that's the hex code for red, and you can directly use it right here. Okay, as you can see, the text color changed right there. You can do that, or you can use one of the predefined colors in Android Studio, which you can access by typing in Android, and here you can get a lot of suggestions. Okay, let's go for something like Holo Purple, and as you can see, we now have a purple color. This is one of the predefined colors in Android, which you can find right there. Okay, if you control and left click on that color. You can also edit the color from the design tab right here. You can just type text color, and here you can get a few more suggestions. Okay, because if you click on that color right there, you can go to custom, and here you can deal with more colors that you can see. Okay, so you can change this slider left and right, and here, for example, you can select any color that you want. Okay, That's the hex of that color in case you want to take that hex and add that color here inside your colors.xml. Okay, you can add it like that, and now you have the exact same color that you chose from this panel right there. Okay, next we're going to talk about text alignment. So let's go to our width and give that a match parent width, and as you can see by default the text goes to the start of the screen. Okay, you can change that by using the text alignment property. Okay, you can go to text alignment and choose center, for example, and as you can see now your text will be positioned in the center of that text view. You can also choose to position it at end like that, and now your text is to the right of the screen if it is a left to right screen. Okay, you can also change that from the design right there. You can choose text alignment, and here you can see all of the options directly in front of you. Okay, sometimes you will have to set a limit for the number of lines of your text view. Okay, in case your text view becomes too long to deal with for your screen. For example, if I copy and paste my text several times, as you can see, the text view is now made up of 3 lines. Okay, let's scroll back here and let's try to have it at 2 lines maximum. You can do that by writing lines equals to 2. Okay, and as you can see, that worked, but there's no indication that there's some more text to be displayed. And to do that, you can use something called ellipse size, and you can choose end. As you can see here, if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that you have 3 dots at the end of your text, which indicates that there is more text that can be displayed inside this text view. Okay, and we will use it quite often. Okay, and last but not least, one more attribute that we may use commonly in our applications is called text all caps, and it's a Boolean value that can either be true or false. If you set that to true, as you can see, your text now appears in uppercase. Okay. If you find my content to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.